Okay, class, let's finish up with our fifth skill here. And what is our fifth skill? In our fifth skill, we're going to be making predictions. This is actually a really cool concept in all sorts of business models out there with scatter plots and real world scenarios with what we call big data. And what we're going to do is we're going to use that line of best fit that we just found in step 4 to predict um, basically Y values from a particular X value. So we're just going to be predicting. We're going to be using that line of fit to make estimates, to make predictions. So let's see how this works. So um, we just dealt with this problem. Just a moment ago, we found this line of best fit. This number was 9/8, but in decimal form, you can see it's 1.125. That is a decimal equivalent of 9/8. And that was the slope. And then this was the B value right there. So this was the line of best fit that we found in the previous problem. So how does this work? Well, the last skill wants us to predict the price of a ticket in 2009. So how do we connect this line of best fit with making predictions in some arbitrary year like 2009? They could have said 2020 or 2005 or 2002, or in this case, they said 2009. Notice 2009 is a year. That is along the x-axis. So basically, they are telling us a very particular x value, and all we have to do is plug in 2009 to this equation, and that is going to produce a particular y value. So what I'm going to do right now is take 1.125 and I'm going to times it by 2009, and then I'm going to subtract 233.625. So I'm going to get my calculator out and I'm going to do that exactly. 1.125 times 2009 minus 2233.625. And voila, I just found the corresponding y value for this x value right there. That is 26.5. What is 26.5? That's this. That's the average price of a baseball ticket in the year 2009. So let's do something cool is let's make a prediction for 2018 using this line of best fit. This year is 2018, so how do I do that? Well, that's going to be y equals 1.125 times 2018. So we have to enter a particular x value, that's a year, and then we're going to get a particular prediction, which is the y value. So we minus 2233.625. So let me get my calculator out once again. 1.125 times 2018 minus 2233.625. And I'm getting a predicted baseball price of 36.625. So that is our predicted y value based upon this line of best fit. Let's take a look at one more example in here. Okay, so in this example, I've already provided the line of best fit here at the bottom. So, all these points can be plotted. You know, um, we did that earlier. We can find a line of best fit, and that's this right here. And in part D here, that is what we're trying to focus on. We're trying to focus on the prediction. So it's saying predict the maximum longevity, that's this right here, for an animal with an average longevity of 33. So the average is 33. So basically, when it's 33, we're asking what's the predicted maximum longevity for an average animal with 33 years. So this number right here, 33, is the x-coordinate. That's what we're going to be plugging in to this formula, and voila, it's going to give us the predicted maximum longevity for that animal. So I get my calculator out, I go 1.22 times 33. They're asking us to make a prediction for 33 plus 22.44. Don't forget to add on the 22.44, and what do you know? You get a predicted of 62.7. So make sure you're getting more and more practice with making predictions. Long story short, making predictions, you're just entering an X value and you're solving for the Y. And as long as you have the line of best fit and you want to know what your X value is you're trying to predict, that you're trying to use to make a prediction for Y, then you're going to be good to go. All right. Well, take a look at the homework. Next class we review, and then we have our test next Monday.